In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off translating on Brave browser. If you frequently browse websites in different languages, Brave's built-in translation feature can be a very useful tool. It allows the browser to offer translations for web pages that are written in languages other than your preferred one. On the other hand, if you don't use translation features or prefer viewing websites in their original language, you may want to disable it. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to turn Brave Translate on or off in just a few clicks. To get started, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser is running, look toward the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll find the main menu icon. Click on it to open a list of browser options and settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's Settings page, where you can customize a wide variety of browser features, including privacy settings, appearance options, security preferences, and language-related controls. After the Settings page opens, direct your attention to the navigation panel on the left side of the screen. You'll see several categories listed there. Locate and click on Languages. This section contains all of the settings related to language preferences and translation features within the Brave browser. Once you're inside the Languages section, look toward the right side of the page until you find the Brave Translate settings. Here, you'll see an option called Use Brave Translate. This setting controls whether Brave will offer to translate websites into your preferred language whenever it detects content written in a different language. If you would like Brave to provide translation suggestions and help you understand foreign language websites more easily, make sure this option is enabled. When the setting is turned on, Brave can offer translations whenever needed and may even automatically translate websites based on your language preferences. If you prefer not to receive translation prompts or would rather view websites in their original language, simply disable the setting. Turning it off prevents Brave from offering translation suggestions while you browse. To make your change, click the toggle switch next to Use Brave Translate. Switch it on to enable translations or switch it off to disable them. The change takes effect immediately, so there is no need to restart the browser or save any additional settings. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, managing translation settings in Brave browser is a quick and straightforward process that allows you to customize your browsing experience based on your personal preferences. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.